Module 8, Events and Event Handling. Welcome to Beidat IT Training. In Module 8, we'll explore events and event handling in JavaScript. You'll learn how to handle events and use event listeners to respond to user interactions. For example, a click event. HTML. Script. Document.getElementById, myButton.add event listener, click, function. Alert, button clicked. /script. And a mouse over event. HTML. Script. Document.getElementById, myElement.add event listener, mouse over, function. This.style.background color equals yellow. /script. Exercises will help you practice handling events, and a lab project will guide you in developing a web page with interactive elements. An interactive quiz will test your knowledge. By the end of this module, you'll be proficient in handling events in JavaScript. Let's dive into events and event handling.